Do you ever get bogged down with so many repetitive questions? Well, the Power Virtual Agents app in Microsoft Teams allows you to easily create your own chatbot that answers frequently asked questions by employees in your organization. You can give people access to the help that they need 24/7, whether it's for HR questions, service desk support, or anything else. Let's take a look at this HR bot that took me less than 20 minutes to build, which can help employees with questions about time off and loops in a human expert in HR when it can't answer questions. So I created this HR support bot using Power Virtual Agents in Teams. Now let's say I'm an employee and I want to know more about time off. So I can access this HR support bot by clicking on the app on the left-hand rail since it's pinned, or I can search it in the search bar at the top right here. So let's go ahead and ask our question. So let's say I need help with time off. The bot is now asking me what kind of information I'm looking for. So let's say I want to know what the national holidays are when I'm going to have my time off. So now it's come back with a list of the national holidays for 2021, which is awesome. That helped answer my question. And I can then rate my experience from 1 to 5. And now it's asking me if there's anything else I need help with. So let's say yes. And let's say I need more help about finding information on paid vacation. So I can go ahead and click that. Great, so now it's given me a link of where I can visit to find out more information about paid vacation. So just within a few clicks, I was able to get my questions answered. Let's say I want to apply for extended leave. So what I can do is ask the HR support bot. So we can see that extended leave actually needs HR expert approval and that the support bot can actually help me connect with someone to talk to. So let's go ahead and describe our request. So my HR bot has now notified the expert and someone will be reaching out to me shortly. To learn more, go to aka.ms/PVA in MS Teams. You can also check out even more useful apps in Teams at aka.ms/Easter App Hunt. Thank you so much, and I hope you all had a wonderful Easter.